What's up guys, this is Igor in Russia and I'm in Kolpino city, a city which is part of St. Petersburg as an independent city. In this video we're gonna explore the Russian life here in Kolpino. I'm gonna be filming like I usually do, just the real life without too much editing, just a glimpse into the Russian world as it is now. So welcome along, hope you guys enjoy, and of course subscribe to the channel, because you know you're gonna get nowhere else this kind of material in good and bad. Let's go. First things we see is a monument to Lenin. Somebody is actually rowing over there. It says, "We are always the first." Not many people, not so crowded. Here's the Odważnym Boycom. This is a monument statue for Red Guards who fought in the revolution of the proletarian, in the proletarian revolution. It's standing right by the river, and actually there's a really nice waterfall we're gonna check out next. And this is Река Большая Izhorka over there. So the statue, the monument, is done by Zakharov. Architect is Yagursky. Sculptor is first one, second one is architecture. In 1937, erected in the city of Kolpino, currently part of St. Petersburg as a separate city. In some Baltic countries, they tear down the historical monuments for variable reasons, but here the statues stay. Of course, I understand the backstory is very, very different. Nevertheless, nice to preserve the history. Check this out. Super awesome, wow. Oh wow, the smell is awesome. Большая река Izhorka. Let's walk on the bridge over here. There's actually what's the word for it? Graveyard over there. We're standing on the bridge over the river.
А я тоже думала, это, думаю, вот, ну, как бы,
It says walking on ice forbidden. Of course it's for the winter time, but still looks funny when it's like 30 degrees hot. Wow, it's super hot. Winter is coming back strong, and well, I don't mind. I'm on the sort of kind of outskirts of the city right now, right next to the train station, and people are friendly, letting us pass, and going away from the center to the other side of the tracks. We saw this the monument, the water, well, what do you call that, whatever that is. Have to Google the word to adjust myself also to English. So we're on the more quieter side of the train station. I think they're free. Is it free? No, I think they are free. Let's go to a toilet.
A few moments later.
So I'm gonna check out in advance where to go. These are Russian ticket sales. All right, so here. So in case I have to hurry back to St. Petersburg, I checked out where to go if minutes is all I have. Here's a tunnel that goes beneath the tracks. Really nice breeze, cool breeze. Let's see what kind of a vlog are we able to get from Kolpino. It sounds a little bit Italian in my mind. I say Kolpino, but it's not, it's Kolpino. Alright, we're in the center side of the city, and let's head out and explore this city. It looks like a really cool, maybe Moskovsky region in St. Petersburg, a little bit like that. This is actually sort of a typical Soviet city design over here, with the round shape and entrance to the city. Reminds me of Minsk, even though I haven't been there yet. So here is, first things we see is a monument to Lenin in Kolpino, greeting you when you arrive from St. Petersburg to Kolpino. And huge differences. There is no traffic like in St. Petersburg. There's obviously a bus station, lots of buses over there, and you can see they are the same blue buses as in St. Petersburg. That means probably St. Petersburg is responsible for the public transport here. Let's take a closer look to Lenin. Lenin